Hi guys, today seeing the Omnibook 16 in 16 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes of memory, 512 GBs of storage. So let's get right to unboxing. So I'll flip this over and unbox the Holy Grail. So right off the top, it's a beautiful unboxing. They have the Omnibook logo. This must be the laptop.
बस उसको ज़्यादा नहीं करो अनलेस कि उसके अंदर कुछ है.
So let's put the laptop to the side so we can unbox it at the end. So this is the adapter to it. I kind of like this one. So it uses USB-C charging. So it's pretty nice. Under this, we probably don't have anything. Yep, it's just a dummy. This, I don't think we have anything, so let's, oh, and then they also give you like a pamphlet, I think, for like, how to use it and stuff. Yep, getting started and stuff. We'll put that to the side. So now let's unbox our beautiful laptop, the Omnibook. So let's take it out of the cover. This cover is pretty nice. Okay, so as you can see, this is like pretty nice. I've seen Elite books, Pro books. It looks nothing like them. From the back, it does have heating on the back over here. And it has the Omnibook on one of the things. Down here you have some sound. So
साउंड नहीं है वो इनटेक है वो.
Oh, intake. Yeah, the sounds
Air
are on the
intake है.
side.
हाँ साउंड ये है.
So these are the sounds. So I kind of like this. On my previous Chromebook that I had, it broke yesterday, so I got this one. The sound was at the bottom. It was a Lenovo. Lenovo. I think it was Yoga. Yeah, it
Okay,
was
talk
Yoga.
about this.
So
Turn it on.
let's power it on. I think they might have given us it dead.
चार्ज करो इसको. Okay.
Yep, it's dead, but over here we have the Copilot button. That's something new. So it's pretty good, and it has a backlit keyboard.